Hello, in this video, I'm going to show how to install the Eclipse. But keep in your mind, in this class, we are not limited to the Eclipse IDE. If you're familiar with other IDEs such as VS Code, you can continue to use it. I'm showing here is just because our textbook use Eclipse as examples. So I show you how to download and install the Eclipse in your home directory. Okay, go to Google to search for Eclipse download, and you will get this page. This is the official Eclipse download page. So you can click download, and most of case is your laptop probably is Intel x86. So you can click this one, click download. It's going to automatically download it. If you does not have this automatically downloaded, you can click here to start download. Don't worry about this one for the donations. It's free and you can get it download automatically. So in my case, I'm going to find out this one. So double click it. There are several options, but we only use for the Java developers. So click this one. And here, you see the installation folder is going to into your user name. Underneath username, Eclipse, and then this is the version, current version. And that is the Java development case 21, version 21. Okay, create a shared manual entry. This is keep the default. Okay, install it. This installation does not require for the system admin privilege. It's going to install into your home directory. Okay, installation complete. You can launch it. You will see this is the version number to bring up the Eclipse IDE. Then every time when you start it, they're going to tell you where is workspace. It's actually in the C drive, users, at your username, and then there is a folder called workspace. And you are going to click OK. And with old version, in my case, I have the old version. That's OK. Okay, when it's starting, let's look at where is workspace. So in your PC, C drive, and the users, and find your username, there is directory is called Eclipse, Eclipse Workspace. Okay, this is Eclipse Workspace. And then all your projects file is in this folder. So when you upload your project, your source code, you may need to go to here to the C drive users, your username, workspace, Eclipse Workspace, and find out which project you need to upload. And for example, I have this project and the SRC, that is your source code. You're going to need to find out your source code and then upload your source code. And then after you start up your Eclipse, you will see this window. This is for the welcome window. You may close that one. And then the left-hand side is your project Explorer. This is your editor window. And then in the bottom is your console or your program. Okay, that's it. By the way, if you has Mac machine and you will this ARch64, that is for Mac Air M4, M3, M2 for the silicon chips. This is X86, that's for the Intel chips. If you have the current MacBook, probably this is one. But make sure you have the Intel chips on the second chips to select the different software to install it. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.